Okay guys, welcome to another video. It's been a while, about 9 days. We're back again. Unfortunately, Amazon has failed me yet again. The razor that I ordered so that I could specifically review it for you still hasn't arrived. And I ordered this thing on the 3rd of May. So if it ever arrives, I guess I'll do a review on it. But in this case, today we'll do a review again, a facial shave with the Philishave HQ5401. Again, this is from 2002, December. Christmas time is when I got it. Mentioned this story before because I did do a head shave, as you know, with it. So now we're going to do a face shave. And really, an old school razor, of course. It's got the trimmer here. Let's pop it up. There we go. Trimmer. Hair chamber. Full of hair, of course. See that? Does definitely need to be cleaned, and I should probably do that after I'm done shaving. So my face today, I haven't shaved in a couple of days. I last shaved on Sunday, so we're going to shave now and we're going to see how we do. In fact, let me just bring the camera a little closer here because I don't want to stretch the cord too much on this razor. There we go. Okay, so I'll try to do it into the camera as much as I can. So let's begin. It's very smooth, feels good. The head's here, it's got a flex kind of a thing here. If you see this, I'm putting my finger down here and you can see the heads are moving inward. Do the upside down trick here. Take this bottom head under the nose and get the hair under there. Feels good, feels really smooth. Okay, I'll just take a look in the mirror here. Oh, that's very, very good. I'm always impressed by this razor. And again, it's, 21 years old, almost 22 years old, and it just, it still works. It still shaves very smoothly, very closely. So I can't complain about it, guys. I really can't. But there you go, guys. That's another shaving video for you. I hope that the next video I make will be with this new Remington, if it ever arrives. But if not, I guess I'll be shaving my face probably with my old Philishave HS555 next. So thanks again, guys. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, remember, Electric Razor Wrap, the message board, www.electricrazorwrap.com. And I will see you in the next video.